Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 20th, and this is my PM recap of the pound US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't do so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community, linked at the end of this video and in the description. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, gets you access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, the pound dollar definitely continued up pretty strong today. I definitely think we are in a wave three on those higher time frames. And like I've been saying this morning in my morning videos, I would expect it to go up to at least a 161.8. We're only at the 100% now, so I think we have a lots and lots of upside potential. Very, very, very nice entry too. This is a great example of a flat. One, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, one, two, three, four, five waves down, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. That is a perfect example of a flat. Took out the lower wave 4 just like a correction to a last 5 waves should. Perfect, perfect entry. This is one of the ones that I've been holding my long on, and it's turning out very good. And I definitely will be looking for more entries at the end of any pullbacks I see from this point on. I think we should be holding on and looking for longs for probably quite some time now. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.